How to add third person in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, I want to add the third person in my project. And here, if I just click simulate, and you can see nothing happen. And I just click add and click this one. And I will select third person, add to project. And I will close it. And if I simulate again, and yeah, you can see nothing happen. And I will quit it. And here I will just enter the project setting. And I will find map and mode. And I will change this mode to first person games mode. And I will do it again, simulate it. And yeah, you can see our characters is added in our project. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.